Are you a Nigerian? Or maybe you are watching me from another country. Is there something you are passionate about? I mean, something you want the world to know? Are you a professional? A trainer? Are you a teacher? Are you an artisan? Do you have a skill set about something? I'm here to inform you that you can sell that your knowledge via YouTube today. I'm not talking about the few AdSense money. No. My name is John Ajiboye. You see, for years I've built online businesses, including ASKJOFA YouTube channel. This is my new primary YouTube channel going forward. And you can see, starting from absolute zero. And this will be dedicated to just one thing. I'll be showing you how to transform your expertise, your passion, knowledge, your products and services into a thriving online business driven by YouTube and video marketing. You are going to get real practical hands-on on how to about everything YouTube. My mission is to help you build a robust YouTube business, to help you sell your products, your services with minimal subscription on YouTube. And you'll be able to learn to avoid all the costly mistakes that held me back for too long while I was running AskJOFA YouTube channel. Please note this. There is virtually nothing you cannot sell with YouTube. So if you are ready to transform that your qualification and that your passion into real profits, then you need to subscribe to this channel, because when you do, you'll be able to get all my videos as soon as I publish them every week. I can tell you this is going to be a journey of consistent value that I'm going to render on this platform. All you need to do is to believe in your vision. Then you will need to take action, and I can assure you, you are going to see good results. Thank you.